Hey lovelies, Jenna and Caitlin here with Fleur Bee's Beauty in Pajamas,
where we share our favorite skincare tips in the comfort of our favorite Jamma Jams.
So what we're going to talk to you about today are the major causes of puffy eyes and 5 tips on how to get rid of them. So the good news is that puffy eyes is generally from your lifestyle choices. So if you just make tiny adjustments in your behaviors, you can make it so that you don't get them in the first place.
One of the best things that you can do is start exercising, which is really hard for me. I hate to exercise. It's the worst, but lack of exercise can really lead to puffy eyes. So all you need to do is about 150 minutes of moderate activity each week or 75 minutes of higher intensity activity each week. Oh, that's good, thank you. And when you break that down to a daily amount, it's really only like 20 minutes of moderate activity or 10 minutes of higher intensity activity, which is completely doable even for a sloth like me.
Another main cause of puffy eyes is too much salt. And I know that it's very hard because everybody loves salt and we all tend to eat foods that are high in salt, but you want to try and check your labels and steer clear of any processed foods. According to dietary guidelines, you should be limiting your salt to only 1 teaspoon per day. Caitlin.
Sorry, are you sleeping? Yeah, didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night.
Well, you do know that lack of sleep is one of the main causes of puffy eyes, right?
You know, I didn't know that until this moment, so
live and learn, right?
Yeah.
Adults are supposed to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. So make sure I
did not do that.
Make sure you are getting those Z's.
So the final thing that you can do to really help prevent puffy eyes is to stop smoking, don't start smoking, avoid smoking altogether. It's bad for you. Say no to drugs, kids.
Just say no. So now you know all the major causes that give you puffy eyes and how to get rid of them, but what if you have them? What do you do about it?
Well, never fear. We have some simple tricks for you that'll help keep your eyes looking amazing. All right, so the first thing to do, and this is the most important thing that you will ever hear from me. Listen, look. Stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. It's the best thing that you could ever do for your skin. And it may seem counterintuitive related to puffy eyes because fluid retention is one of the main causes of puffy eyes, but water helps to flush your system from all the other toxins that are causing your eyes to be puffy. So it'll help keep your skin looking amazing and help your eyes. It'll be fabulous. Drink water.
Now you're not gonna like this one, but you also want to try and limit your sugar intake as well as your salt intake.
What?
I know.
Worst.
So we know that it's amazingly tasty, but sugar can lead to inflammation, and inflammation is a direct cause of puffiness. So you really want to try and limit your salt and your sugar.
The next thing that you can do is start using a natural eye cream like Fleur Bee's Eyes Baby. And Eyes Baby is specifically designed to help soothe and replenish the thin, delicate skin beneath your eyes.
It also includes ingredients like squalane, gotu kola, and caffeine, which help to reduce the appearance of those puffy eyes. All you would need to do is go to fleurbee.com, use the code YouTube for 25% off. 25% off.
Another thing that you can do is to keep your head elevated while you're sleeping. It's not something you maybe think about a lot, but it'll help keep the fluid from building up around your eye area if your head is up a little bit. All you have to do is just put a couple of pillows underneath your head and neck, and it will also help keep your face from rubbing up against the pillow, causing irritation. And to help you with that, you just can use a gentle eye mask or some essential oils that'll help you stay asleep and get a good night's rest.
Finally, we have some great at-home remedies like cucumber slices and tea bags.
Cucumber slices are fantabulous because they're made mostly of water, so they help to hydrate the skin, and they also have vitamin C and folic acid in them, which can help protect your skin against environmental stressors.
And along with being delicious, chamomile tea has soothing properties. Soothing. So all you need to do is steep 2 tea bags in boiling water, or if you had some tea in the morning, you can just take those 2 bags and use them. You wanna squeeze out any of the excess water, put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes to cool them down a little bit. That's important. And then, this is the most important, you want to make sure you close your eyes first. Do not try and put anything on your eyes when they are open. That will be painful for you.
Glad you said something, because I definitely would have done that.
We don't want you to do that, so make sure you close your eyes. Go ahead and put those tea bags on for about 15 to 30 minutes. It will help to zap away that puffiness.
And it's also super relaxing.
Yeah, it really is. You'll feel like you're at the spa, with your eyes closed, tea bags on there. Super nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fabulous beauty tips. Bye for now. Do you love our pajamas?
I don't think I could dab. What is that one?
Don't do that.